guys, welcome now. We're responding to a fire call. Livy Lane, I think. Livy Lane. Responding right now. 3-5 in the tower. Responding right now to it. So, I'll keep you guys updated. So, felt like, you guys weren't on JP's YouTube channel. They had a call, there was a call down on his road for a chemical leak. My dad went to that, so they literally just had a call. Now they have this one, so we'll see what we have when we get there. It's a fire alarm, so it's nothing bad. So, 2 of our guys are probably going to the truck right now. So, yeah. So, I'll keep you guys updated like I was saying. We are heading up Medicom Avenue right now, guys. Looks like we're gonna be in the area. Alright guys, we're gonna be arriving out soon.
C5's going out, building H, audible, building semi-evacuated. Semi-evacuated.
So guys, we're on scene right now. So we got Rob. Yo, Rob! Thanks for the nozzle. There's tower ladder 1, right there. There's engine 3. What's up? Making this for my YouTube channel. come over here. We got engine 5. So guys, looks like, so here's my dad's truck. That's pretty sick. But yeah, I'm gonna stay in the shade because it is hot out. So we got tower and engine 5 over there on that side, and then engine 3 over here. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next responding video. Peace.